God damn it, Harry!
Oh, have you got that video?
He's a friendly orc, though.
Yes, one of the nice ones that wants to help.
Yeah. So, Callie, mother of dragons, tell us more about this flush product.
This particular product is a forcing solution.
Okay.
So when you've added it into the actual tank, you'll see a change within 3 days. The leaf will start to yellow, and it's all about finishing the plant off. So it's high, particularly high in sulfur, which is a death signal to the plant. So if you think about nature, when autumn comes along, what happens is all the leaves start to drop, they start to degrade, you get all the fungus starting to form, and sulfur reducing bacteria. So there's an increase in sulfur, so the plant knows it's coming to the end of its life. So what it does is it takes all those sugars out the root zone and those last little bits of energy and sends them to the flower sets because it desperately wants to reproduce. It wants to carry on its lineage. Yeah. So what this does is it signals to the plant it's time to give that last little burst out. And as I say, you replace all of your nutrients with this for the final 2 weeks. And then I would still use, for the last 4 to 5 days, a water just to get rid of anything that's left and give it that last little bit of a flush.
Perfect.